This video is brought to you by Restmore. Visit buyrestmore.com for the best sleep of your life.
Okay guys, I'm here with our patient Axis. We're going to call him Axis because he's a deer hunter and he's going hunting this weekend. He's going to shoot at some Axis deer, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're going to treat, you have some warts on your fingers here we're going to treat. We've already used the podolphin. We already tried the gel. Did you get the gel or was it the solution?
Solution.
The solution, and you used it for the 3 cycles. You know, 3 days on, 4 days off, not 3 cycles, but weekly cycles, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, and did that several times and just no success, huh?
Correct.
All right, you know what I want to do? I want to try, we have this new macro lens. I want to get a close-up on these for everybody, so I'm going to stop for a second and put on the other lens. There we go. Oh, look at that. That's fairly disgusting looking. Can you see it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Let's try another one, the big one there, yeah. Ooh, that is awful looking. That's what a wart looks up nice and up close. All right, we'll take this off. I thought that'd be fun to look at. Lens. Ready?
Okay.
Oh, you want to use the tripod?
No.
Okay, go. You going?
Turn it on.
We're not going to use the tripod because this is a pretty quick procedure. This is, again, this is Axis, and he's got some common warts here. We did a little close-up on these, so we're going to freeze them. And, well, are you ready?
I guess.
All right.
Don't cry.
And...
Told you don't cry.
Don't cry. He's not crying. He's not crying. He's, he didn't watch any of the football games this weekend. Gonzo, did you watch any games?
No.
No?
I want to go eat at Buddy's.
What else you got? You got another one?
And, is that little one?
Teeny tiny one right there.
Right there.
Hold that camera still, little Gonzo. I did not watch a single down of any football games this weekend. So to recap, today's the 25th of January. Yesterday, the Broncos beat the Patriots and the Panthers beat the Cardinals. So I'm gonna now announce my pick so all of you out there can go place your bets. Straight up win. Carolina is going to beat Denver. That's my prediction.
I think so.
You think so too? Axis thinks so.
Your face. I was about to turn it and change my mind.
Yeah, yeah. All right, let's stop for a minute. We're gonna let those thaw and then we'll freeze them again. All right. So to answer your question, you just asked a question before we were filming. You know what happens with these? These will get angry and red, and they'll swell a little bit, and then they'll sort of dry up, and they should peel off. Now here's the problem with these warts. Are you ready for another treatment?
Yep.
Sometimes these dudes are a lot deeper than you think they are, okay? Which may be why, I know that stung, didn't it? Yeah. It almost kicked me. It is probably the reason why these did not just, they didn't just go away with the podolphin treatment, okay? Mm-hmm. Which is an antiviral therapy. Now, typically speaking, the reason why some people get warts and some people don't, and we're all susceptible to getting these when we're young, but for most of us at some point, our immune system turns on and it just eliminates these, okay? The body is not recognizing these warts as being foreign tissue because they're not completely foreign, right? They're just changed by the virus. So your body's immune system hasn't caught on that, hey, we don't want these things. But eventually it will and you'll stop getting them. Okay. Sometimes the act of freezing them is enough to generate an immune response. Sometimes just treating them with something, just continuing to apply something is enough to do it. But in your case, even though we use the medicine, they're still there. So hopefully this will work. If it's not completely gone in a couple of weeks, then next time I see you, we'll do another treatment. They'll be a lot smaller then too. Gonzo, any questions?
Can I go home?
No.
I've tried many vitamins and this one is the best one yet. I've noticed a change in my hair, my nails, my blood pressure, and my nervous system. This is a wonderful product and I'll keep buying it. Thank you, Dr. Gilmore.
Order yours today. There's an Amazon link in the description below.
Hey Rockstars, it's your girl Beth. I know that you guys are used to me coming at you with some reviews for different products, but this is actually something that I really want to more talk about. It's called Restmore. We all know that I am on the go all the time with kids, with my job, with different things I have going on in my social life. And when I come home and want to hit the pillow, I want to go to sleep, and I want to sleep sound. And that's what I get with Rest More. It mellows me out, chills me out, makes me super relaxed, and then I gradually go into a deep sleep faster than you would normally. And basically that creates for me a more intense deep sleep where I'm able to achieve a much better feeling when I wake up. It's not addictive. It just helps me create healthy sleep patterns. And that's what I need in my life, my crazy, chaotic life that I have. You know I use it. I know Adam and Sean use it, and we live by it because we're always on the go. So if you get a chance, give it a whirl. Look at the link below and try it out. Again, this is Beth with Rockstar Reviews. See you later.